Advanced concept. Advanced concept is a Kubernetes. So what is the Kubernetes? I am describing you guys here, and I hope you will understand better. For the example, sometime before what happened, there was a concept of the VM. VM is the concept. Means you are going to create a VM. Like for the example, you are going to start the sale on Diwali or any other festival. Okay. So once you will start the sale, what happened? The user is hits to on particular server, right? So what the server will do? Server will make some VM and will be available the same services on the VM. Okay, one VM can handle the 1 million traffic. This is my just imagination. There is a 1 million traffic. Okay, so what happened? I have created one VM and I expected there is a 1 million traffic will come, but there is a only 1k traffic came. So what happened? Whenever the company have invested the money, useless. Another is a I was expecting the 1 million traffic, but there is a 10 million traffic reaches on the hits on the website, same website. So what will happen? This VM will be crashed also. In this case, you will have to deploy the another VM, but you don't have enough time to deploy the VM. In this case, your machine, your data center will be crashed and you will lose lots of the business. Okay. So now the another thing is container. Based on the container means VM replaced container. Now what is the role of the container? One container will handle the 1000 traffic. 1000 traffic. Same data make the available for this. This is also called the microservice. What is called it? Microservice. Okay. 100,000, sorry, K is enough. Thousands candidate will be handled or user will handle by the single container. Okay. Now there is a one user hit 101. 1001, then the next container will be created, container number 2 will be start. Whenever the user will go the 10,000, the 10 containers will be created. Every container will handle the 1k traffic. Now when the 1 million or the container 1 million traffic hits on your machine, the container will be increases 100 or the thousands container will be created. When the date more user will come 10 million, so the 10,000 container will be created approximately. I am not calculating, you can calculate by your own. So these are the container will be created. So what happened? Whenever the user is increasing, the number of the container will be increase. Number of container will be increase. Whenever the user will increasing, the container will increase. Okay. And whenever the user will decrease, for the example, there is a thousands, here 1000s container are running and handling the 10 million user, then the user will be 1000 count, means 1000 log off. Leaving your website, so automatically the one container will be minus or one container will be removed. So again the 100 or the 1000 candidates will leave your website, again container will be removed. So whenever the traffic will come on your website, the new container will be added, and when the user will leave your website, the container will be removed. This is new idea and it is amazing, new concept and it is amazing. That is the reason there is a star, hot star, you have heard about the hot star, where all the cricket or the IPL will be displayed on this, means streaming on this website. When the match between the Pakistan and Hindustan, so there is a crores of the user hits on this website, and all the users will be stream the same data, the use the same service, but Hotstar never crashed. That is the reason nowadays Amazon will start the sales over the time to time, like Diwali and Holi and other festival, New Year festival, Christmas festival. So their websites not goes to be down. Neither it will be crashed and nor access of the हार्डवेयर, हार्डवेयर का भी एक्सेस नहीं है और वेबसाइट भी क्रैश नहीं होती है. तो जो इन सबको ऑल द थिंग्स विल बी मैनेज्ड, इट इज कॉल्ड कुबरनेट्स. Kubernetes is the platform which will create the container and which will remove the container as per the means as per the requirement. So Kubernetes is a bunch solution. It is called orchestration solution, which will be dynamically scalable, intertwined, and containerization. Okay, every container को हम pod बोलते हैं, which may be the single node or which may be the multi container. Okay, and all the system have the complex networking required in between the containers, so the traffic will only hit a particular container. Got it, guys? Concept is clear of the container and Kubernetes.